There are so many things to think about when you're planning a wedding, but there's also some smaller details that you might not think of. This is exactly what Zaf from Print Factory does. Now, there's a clue in the name there, print. You're actually involved in some of the printing that needs to be done for weddings. What does that mean?
Well, first of all, good evening, everyone, and congratulations about whoever is getting married. Like I said, Print Factory, what can I say about us? From something very, very simple, from your wedding card, we are the people who take care of the backdrops, your dance floors, your welcome signs, your table planning and everything. These are not just one-off things or just a quick things we just pick up. These are bespoke ones. You can come and sit down with us, discuss your requirement, and we will deliver according to what you need. The dance floor you see today is being printed by us. Some of the signage you see, they all be done by us as well. At Print Factory, it's not about us, it's about you. So you bring the ideas, we turn it to reality.
So what's really interesting is about the printing is that actually a lot of couples brand their weddings now. So they might have a sort of monogram with their initials. So branded weddings, what are some of the bits of stationery and printing that can be branded for a wedding?
Well, first of all, like I said to you, most of the time if you go towards our stand, you'll see some of the welcome signs that they've been specially bespokely laser cut with their name, with the date of the wedding, who's they're marrying. Again, then they have the menus, special menus as well. And on the dance floor, they're going to have special details with their name, again, with the initials, with the date, and with the events as well, the venue as well. So there's so many things that you can choose from, and you could just do it the way you want to do it. Just make it whatever you want to make it, and we will deliver it.
So at one end of the scale, we've got sort of small wedding invitations. At the other end, huge dance floors. Now, printed dance floors, they're not what most couples think of. Can you give us some examples of what a printed dance floor would actually be like?
Well, the printed floor, look, this is a very, very personal thing. Look, if you get the printed dance floor, a lot of the ladies will come and say, look, we want a floral. So a lot of the guys say, you know what, can you just do it all black? We just want to keep it settled. Printed floor, look, again, something for today, like you see, it's just very, very bespokely done for this venue. But then we have something that could be gold, could be silver, could be white, it could be anything you want it to be.
And can I check, do you sort of work in conjunction with decor companies or do you get booked separately?
Most of our work is working with our partner companies, with the deco companies, with the venues, with the DJs, with anybody else. But then we have our own clients coming to us directly as well. But majority of the work, we do work with other suppliers as well, very, very closely with it, which is ideally, if you're going to go to a deco guy, they most will have an idea of choice of colors, what they want to do a theming with the flowers, with the tablecloths and all that kind of stuff, which kind of makes a lot of difference as well if you get everything right.
Amazing. So if you're planning your wedding and you haven't got printing on your to-do list, do add that to it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, don't forget Print Factory, yeah?